happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday sis. Happy birthday 60th anniversary birthday. Kabay mo damo pa nga birthday ang matan mo. Kabay malipayon ka sa imong mga pamilya dyan. Happy birthday. And God bless all of you there. Damo gid nga salamat. God bless.
Happy birthday, sis. Sabay nga damo nga buti ang magabot sa iyong stay healthy lang. Welcome sa senior high o senior citizen nga. Happy birthday, sis. God bless.
Happy 6 decades of being strong and wonderful person. I know it is strong agad siya katama kay makita ko kung paano ka maging selfless just to help others, just to make sure na okay ang iban, even ikaw mismo hindi ka okay. And I understand man na behind those loud voices, mean words, and pagiging insensitive mo sometimes, I know nga tanan na to is may meaning, and I can see how you aim a better future for me, and I can see na taas ang handom para sa akin, and I'm working to reach those. And thank you for being a good sister for me, and most especially for being my mother. Since it's your birthday, and just like what everyone says, keep being strong, and always remember that behind my criticisms and seeming nonchalant sometimes, or like acting na wala kulabot from those words you're saying, know that ginapamatian ko ato, and gina-try ko i-apply ato para sa akong kaugalingon. Okay, just like what you have said, depende gyapon sa akon if patihon ko ina or hindi. So I'm starting to realize nga those words of yours, those advices of yours, is a big help para sa akon to be a better person. So, since it's your birthday, I hope na mag-enjoy ka, and that's all. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Mimi.
Mimi, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Mimi.
Happy birthday, Mimi! Wishing you always a good day! Mwah, mwah, mwah! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Ma. Happy birthday, Ma. Gold health ka lang. Pero me, wish ko more birthdays to come. Halong permi. Salamat ko kanimo permi nga nagatrangkaso ko. Way gigadura ang aros kaldo. Enjoy your day. Happy birthday, what?
Happy birthday, Ma. Tani na-enjoy mo ang little surprise naman para si mo. Welcome to the senior life. More discounts to come and more travel. Buyers!
We love you.
Hi ta. Happy 60th birthday. More blessings to come. Kag healthy body ng good. God bless ta.
Happy birthday, Mimi. Happy birthday, Mimi. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Mimi.
Happy birthday lang ga!